This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will not bypass age checks. That's unsafe and against terms. Begin by confirming the platform's verification options and what proof they accept. Collect a valid ID or arrange parental permission forms if the service accepts consent. Once you have paperwork, open account settings and start the official verification flow. You're doing this to protect your access long-term and to stay within rules, so proceed methodically and keep digital copies of any documents for quick re-verification. Now complete the platform's verification process step by step. Upload clear photos of the front and back of your ID and take a live selfie if required. Make sure file names are readable and images are not cropped. Blurry uploads cause delays. Confirm name and birth date match your documents, then submit. Once accepted, enable two-factor authentication and review privacy settings for voice chat. This prevents account issues and reduces the chance you'll be asked for re-verification. If verification is denied, don't try to circumvent it. Instead, use family-approved voice apps or standard phone calls while resolving issues. Contact platform support with your submission receipt and a brief explanation. Attach clear documents and a timestamped selfie if requested. Once verified, test voice chat with a trusted contact and adjust mic and privacy settings. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail, try a different browser or device, and confirm image file type and size meet the platform's requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.